Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. Today we are going to discuss about Dream 11 IPL match between Kings 11 Punjab and Kolkata Knight Riders, which is the 24th match of IPL 2020. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe guys. Guys, like every day, even yesterday also our teams have performed very well in small league as well as grand league guys. So guys, in this video initially we will be discussing about pitch statistics, player statistics, as well as ground statistics and technical analysis. After that guys, we will be discussing about Dream 11 team for small league as well as for grand league. So guys, after this we will be discussing about fan fighting. So basically what is fan fight? So guys, basically fan fight is a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11 where we will be having contests like mega contest, iPhone 11 gadget pull, head to head and all guys. So for today we have 35 lakh mega contest, we can win that also. So guys, I will be mentioning the invite link in description guys, so please download it and play this game. We will be discussing this fan fight team also guys. So guys, let's go and discuss the technical analysis for today's game. Guys, basically this is a match between Kings 11 Punjab and Kolkata Knight Riders, which is played in Abu Dhabi guys. So guys, coming to pitch and weather report, pitch is good for batting but it is bit slow. Like as usual, it is also a batting pitch and it may be helpful for spinner guys. And also guys, a score of 150 plus is going to be tough for chasing side. So guys, weather will be clear and there is no chance of rain and temperature is above 35 degrees Celsius guys. So guys, basically this is the probable playing 11 for Kings 11 Punjab as well as Kolkata Knight Riders. For Kings 11 Punjab, we have KL Rahul along with Mayank Agarwal as openers, followed by Mandeep Singh, Nicholas Pooran, Simran Singh, Glenn Maxwell, Ravi Bishnoi, Arshdeep Singh or Deepak Huda. Anyone will play today's game, along with Mujibur Rahman, Mohammad Shami and Sheldon Cottrell guys. So guys, for Kolkata Knight Riders, we have Shubman Gill, we have Rahul Tripathi, we have Nitish Rana, we have Ian Morgan, we have Sunil Narayan, then Andre Russell, Dinesh Karthik, Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Shivam Avi and Varun Chakravarti guys. So guys, coming to pitch statistics in T20 International in Abu Dhabi Stadium, we have a total of 44 matches played in this game, out of which batting first have won 19 games and batting second have won 25 games. So guys, average score in the first innings is 148 runs, highest total is 225 and lowest total is 66 guys. So guys, highest score chased is 166 and lowest score defended is 129. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in IPL 2020. We have a total of 8 matches played in particular venue, out of which guys batting first have won 5 games and batting second have won 3 games, and there is no tie in this stadium guys. So guys, highest total is 195 and lowest total is 136. So guys, we may expect this is also going to be a high scoring game. So guys, highest score chased is 162 and lowest score defended is also 162 guys. So guys, this is the head to head between Kings 11 Punjab and Kolkata Knight Riders. We have total of 25 matches played between these teams, out of which Punjab have won 8 games and Kolkata have won 17 games guys, and there is no tie between these two teams guys. So guys, based on this, Kolkata Knight Riders is the hot favorite in today's game guys. So guys, let's go and discuss the top pick players for today's game. So guys, basically these are the top pick players for today's game: KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Mohammad Shami, Nicholas Pooran, Andre Russell, Sunil Narayan, Rahul Tripathi and Shubman Gill guys. So guys, these are the top pick players for today's game. By seeing these big names, we may have credit issue for the today's game. So guys, we are going to build a Dream 11 team in such a way that there is no credit issue for the today's game. So guys, let's go and build a Dream 11 team. So guys, let me create a team. So guys, in the wicket keeping section we have 3 options, like we have Lokesh Rahul, we have Nicholas Pooran, we have Dinesh Karthik. So guys, I will be going with Lokesh Rahul and Nicholas Pooran. So guys, for grand league we may also try Dinesh Karthik guys, but for the small league I will be going with Lokesh Rahul and Nicholas Pooran guys. So guys, in the batting section we have plenty of options, like we have Rahul Tripathi, we have Mayank Agarwal, we have Shubman Gill, and also we have Nitish Rana and Karun Nair guys. So guys, I'll be going with Mayank Agarwal, Shubman Gill. Along with this, I'll be going with Rahul Tripathi, guys. So guys, these are the three options in batting section for my team. This is small league, guys. So guys, in the all-rounder section, I'll be going with Andre Russell, guys. And also we may have Sunil Narine as an alternate option. We may try Sunil Narine and Maxwell also. So guys, in the bowling section, I'll be going with Mohammad Shami, Pat Cummins, Ravi Bishnoi. And also we have plenty of options, like we have Sheldon Cotton. And also guys, we have Varun Chakravarti. Varun Chakravarti is also a nice option, guys. So guys, along with this, we have two options, like we have Kamlesh Nagarkoti and we have Shivam Mavi, guys. So guys, I'll be going with Shivam Mavi. So guys, this is the team. We may go with this team for small leagues. Let's discuss about captain and vice captain, guys. So guys, for captain and vice captain point of view, we have plenty of players. Like we have Lokesh Rahul as captain and Mayank Agarwal as vice captain, or Shubman Gill as vice captain, guys. So guys, in for small leagues, I'll be going with Mayank Agarwal as captain and Shubman Gill as vice captain, guys. Let me save this team, guys. Let me show the preview for small leagues. So guys, basically this is a team for small leagues. So guys, let's create a team for grand leagues. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, we have three options as usual. For grand league team, I'll be going with two options, guys. I'll be going with Lokesh Rahul as well as Nicholas Pooran. So guys, in the batting section also, we have plenty of options. Like I'll be going with Shubman Gill. We have Rahul Tripathi. And also guys, we have Ian Morgan. We have Mayank Agarwal. So guys, we may expect Ian Morgan and Mayank Agarwal will bat today. So I'll be taking them in my team. So guys, in the all-rounder section, we have plenty of options, like we have Sunil Narine. So guys, I'll be going with Sunil Narine here instead of Russell. And in the bowling section, guys, we have plenty of options, like we have Varun Chakravarti, we have Shivam Mavi. I'll be taking Shivam Mavi in the team. Along with this, guys, Ravi Bishnoi is also a nice option. Pat Cummins is also a nice option. And also guys, we have Mohammad Shami. So guys, basically this is a team for grand league, guys. So guys, for captain and vice captain point of view, I'll be going with Lokesh Rahul as captain, guys. And guys, vice captain point of view, I'll be going with Sunil Narine as my vice captain, guys. So guys, basically this is a team for grand leagues. Coming to fan fight team, guys, let me create a team. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, we have three options, like we have Dinesh Karthik, we have Lokesh Rahul and we have Nicholas Pooran. Here I'll be going with Lokesh Rahul and Nicholas Pooran, guys. And also guys, in the batting section, we have plenty of options. We have Mayank Agarwal, we have Shubman Gill, we have Rahul Tripathi. And also guys, we may try Nitish Rana and Ian Morgan also. I'll be going with these three options, guys. And in the all-rounder section, I'll be going with Andre Russell, guys. So guys, in the bowling section, we have plenty of options. We have Mohammad Shami, we have Ravi Bishnoi. We have Pat Cummins, we have Shivam Mavi, and also guys, I'll be going with one more option known as Varun Chakravarti. So guys, in this team, instead of Mohammad Shami or Cummins, we may also try Nitish Rana, guys. So yeah, I'll take Nitish Rana. So guys, basically this is a team for small leagues as well as grand leagues in fan fight. Speaking about captain and vice captain, Lokesh Rahul is my captain, and guys, Shubman Gill is my vice captain, guys. So guys, let me show a team preview. So guys, this is the team preview for today's game for fan fight. So guys, thanks for watching guys. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel guys. Thanks so much.